welcome back to another video. I'm Smatle Mkhize and this is my channel. If you are a regular degular, a regular liker, a regular sharer, honey, thank you so much for coming back once again. And if you're new here today, welcome to the channel and make sure that you click that subscribe button. We are on the road to 16k. Okay, my love, so today is a Monday. It's the start of a new week. Today at work we're going to be taking our yearbook pictures. So I decided to vlog and show you guys everything because it's quite a big deal. As you can see, I'm wearing a whole beat, honey, because we have, you know, some proper pictures to take today. I am wearing this pink blazer and pink shoes because we are each grade is allocated a color and our color is dragon fruit pink. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing now. So we're gonna do that. I've also got to go to the bank today, so I'll see what I vlog and what I don't vlog. But this is the start of a weekly vlog. This is also a very big week for me because the lunch on is this Saturday, guys. I'm so excited and also so very nervous, but it's finally happening. I can't wait to see all the beautiful ladies. So you guys are gonna see a little bit of the behind the scenes of what I'm gonna get up to. Really, everything is done. I just need to go to Nanjing, do a few things, and yeah, so I'll just talk you guys through all of that. I might show you guys what will be in the goodie bags, but this vlog would have to come out like on Sunday or something, you know. So yeah, anyway, let me show you guys my outfit and then we're gonna go to work. So I'm wearing this today, just my white pants and a black shirt with these cute heels, kitten heels, and yeah. Oh, Miss Back, we should say yearbook picture, my dolls. Okay, guys, I'll catch up with you guys when we get to work. See you guys soon. Work now. Now gonna Miss Pets is getting herself ready there. We're going to find this place for individual pictures. And then I've got to go to the bank, but I'll take you guys into one of my classes later. Well, not later, after I take this picture. But yeah, lips look okay. Let's go. Cat and I are in our kitchen heel eras. We usually teach in sneakers, that's why. Yeah, this is the second time. So I have a... I told you guys. This is for my... Go drink water. You want to say hi? Say hi, nice. Don't stand around me like this. They always do this. Okay, have a break. Drink some water. Are you okay, Alina? Yes. Okay. Are you happy to take pictures today? No? You don't want to?
I want to.
Okay. Hi, Sophia. Good job. And 6, right? Good job. Oh, good job. Who's sitting next to Robin? Not here today? Oh, back. Good job. 1 and 2. Okay, right. Lesson begins. Good morning, P4C. Good morning, Miss Bob. Thank you. Sit down. Okay, everybody. So we've been learning a new text type, or we've started a little bit about a new text type called science fiction, okay? Sci-fi. So Miss Ba already updated the sci-fi display board. So when you have time, have a look at the sci-fi display board. See the new vocabulary, okay? We will learn them soon again, maybe next week, okay? So today's lesson, you guys are going to learn how to predict, okay? Because that is an important part of science fiction. Because you have to come up with your own predictions and ideas, okay? So let's read the LO together. To predict, ready, go.
To predict what happened.
Good job. So to predict what happened, by the end of the lesson, you will know how to predict the ending of a story, okay? You will also write 3 sentences predicting what will happen next, okay? Do you know what is predict? Any ideas?
Like,
yes.
Think what will happen next.
To think what will happen next. Good, okay? So you are already using what you have to think what will happen next. So let's have a look. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. Wendy? Look at the pictures and answer the question. Here's the question. So firstly, in this picture you can see what's happening.
Birthday.
It's someone's birthday. This little boy, how old is he turning? 6 years old, okay? Here are his friends. There's so much food. What do you think the boy will do to the candles?
Blow them.
Blow them. Exactly. So you guys are predicting what he will do next. Can we see him blowing the candles in the picture?
No.
No. But you use the picture to give you an idea what will happen next. Good, Adam. Let's see the next one. What are they doing in the picture? Describe the picture for me. Who can describe?
The family.
Adam. Okay, thank you, Elena. But Lisa, but raise your hand. Adam. They are having a picnic. A bonfire. It's a bonfire. This is not a picnic. There's no sandwiches and like it's not during the day. It's in the evening. So this is a bonfire. Maybe they're camping. Okay. Here's a tent for camping. So the question is, what do you think they will do to the marshmallows? Queenie? Excellent, Queenie. They will eat the marshmallows. Have you ever had marshmallows?
Yes.
Have you ever put marshmallows on the fire?
No.
It's very delicious. It's very, very delicious.
I know.
Okay, so next picture. What's happening in the picture? Angela, what's happening here? It's snowing, and what are they doing in the snow? Alice, okay. No, I always call Alida, Alisa, I'm so sorry. Good. They are making snowmen. Good job. Now, here's the question. Who's talking about Miss Masake? What might the little boy add to his snowman? So you can see the other kids, their snowman is almost finished. What might he add here? Sophia?
Snowman's hat.
Snowman's arms. Good job. What else might he add? Jahad?
And more.
And more?
No.
And more snow? Yeah, maybe make him bigger? Okay, good job. So you guys have just made predictions. Everyone say predictions.
Predictions.
Let us read what is predicting. Read together. Ready? Go. Predicting is using evidence from a text to say what you think might happen next. So you're using what you have to think what will happen next. Okay? So really you are thinking ahead as you read when you correctly predicting and using prior knowledge. So it's kind of like you are reading ahead. Maybe you read page 1 and you're like, oh, I already know what will happen in page 10. So that is what it is, okay? So here's a predicting activity. I've got 3 sentences here. Take out your books, please. Find a clean page. Alright, so this is what we're going to do. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good job, team 2. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is number 1. Listen to instructions. I'm going to read the first sentence. You will write number 1 only, like this. Only write number 1. You will write a predicting sentence. So the teacher comes into the classroom after lunchtime carrying 3 basketballs and 1 whistle. So if I walk into the classroom like this, 3 basketballs, 1 whistle. What do you think will happen next? Write a sentence. Write it down. Write it down. What do you think will happen next? So Miss Ma walks into the classroom with 3 basketballs. Write number 1, Sweeney. Write number 1, Holland. What do you think will happen next? At the back. At the back, Sam. At the back. What do you think will happen next? What do you predict the class might be doing? So 3 basketballs, 1 whistle. What do you think is going to happen?
So we need to write.
Whistle, W is that whistle.
So we need to write. Comes into the.
Write a full sentence. Oh, no. Don't write the teacher comes into. Just write the prediction. Just write the prediction.
Finish.
Okay. Sister number 1 to show me that you're finished. Good, Cici. Good, Adam. Good, Angela. Good, Sophia. Good, Angel. Good, Alina. Good, Jihad. Good, Noah. Don't close your book. We still have 2 more to do. Okay, let's hear some of your predictions. Let's have Jihad. The teacher will say, today we are playing basketball. Okay, good. Sophia?
We are going to have PE class and practice basketball.
Yes, the class might be having PE and practice basketball. Lisa?
Then they will play basketball.
Playing basketball. Excellent. Right, number 2. Let's do the next one. Let's read. Sam and his friend are riding their bikes. Okay? Sam's friend falls off his bike. Andy? And hurts his arm. Oh no. What do you predict might happen next? Write a sentence. What do you predict might happen next? Sam, his friend falls to the ground. He's gonna die? Oh my God, no. He just hurts his arm. Just hurts his arm. Go to the hospital. Queenie?
Also, Sam will take his friend to the hospital.
Sam will take his friend to the hospital. Very good. Right, number 3, please. In the middle of watching her favorite show, Andrea's home Wi-Fi stops working. So listen, you are at home. Think about this. You are at home watching your favorite movie or your favorite cartoon, and you're watching it with Wi-Fi. Then the Wi-Fi cuts off. Oh no! What do you predict will happen next? So think about Andrea. What will Andrea do? Write a sentence, number 3. Okay, finish writing your predictions?
Yes.
Sissy number 1 to see that you guys, to show me that you're ready. Don't copy. Write your own. Not I will. Andrea will. She will. It's a girl. Huh? What is Shuli? What?
Fix it.
She will fix it? Fix.
Or maybe repair.
Repair. That's a good one too. Okay, let's hear some of your answers. Jay, Jihad and Angel. Sit well. What?
How to write
Broken. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
3, 2, 1.
This team is sitting well. Wow, team 2 might get yellow cards, green cards. Okay. Let's hear your predictions, please. Thank you, Sophia, for so many predictions today, but let's let other people try. Cici?
She will be angry and fix the phone.
She will be angry and try to fix it. Okay, good. Angela?
I will kick the TV and say it's broken.
Kick the TV? I mean, sometimes people do that. That's a prediction, so it could be true. Angel? Listen to Angel, please. She will use something to break the TV? Why do you all want to break the TV? Fix the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi has a problem. Okay, one more. Jay?
She will talk to the pizza man and control the Wi-Fi.
Talk to the pizza man?
Policeman.
Oh, the policeman. She will talk to the policeman? What policeman? Oh, okay, thank you. Okay. I will come around and read some of them. Close your book, Sister number 1. I have to explain the activity now. Which team has dates out on? Let me see, open. Let me see. Write neatly. This is not writing neatly. Good. Wait.
是的，是的。好了，
Let me see.
我好了
Don't raise your hand. I will come to your table. Sit down. You guys can stick and read. Let me see. Open. 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 Good. Stick and read. Good. Stick and read. I want no voice for this activity. You should be reading. Let me see. Don't write an orange pen. Good. Stick and read. Look at this predict. Oh. Good. Stick and read. Jaden, did you stick? What happened? Good. Now sit down here. Stick. I want you to first stick, then read. I don't want to see people who have not stuck it. If I see someone who hasn't stuck the worksheet, your team will move back 1 point. Stick the paper in your book. Fold it in half. Yes. Jaden's in your team, yes. If you need to borrow glue from someone. Which team has already stuck everything? Okay, team 3 is almost done. Wow! Team 2 is on a roll today. Very good.
Team 6.
1 star for all of you. Hey loves. So today is Tuesday. I just got back from work. Time now is like 5:21. My feet are killing me. I decided to walk back from work. What I always do, but I think it's because yesterday I was wearing heels. Excuse me. I was wearing kitten heels. It's not even that hectic, but I don't know why. But my feet are killing me. Anyway, today I have a few things to do here in Glini. I firstly want to start packing some of the goodies for the goodie bags this Saturday. So I'll show you guys one of the things that are going to be in the goodie bag. And then I want to make a salad. And then I want to start preparing my like introduction and everything that I want to be saying on the day. So I won't show you guys that on camera because that's going to be like a separate vlog. But yeah, just chill with me. Let's do those things. I'm actually just like wanted to be Saturday already. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and I just wanted to be the day already, you know. But yeah, let's go make this chicken salad. Guys, I also feel a little tired. I don't know why. It's just Tuesday. It's not even Wednesday. I'm gonna do my nails on Thursday, so don't you worry, honey. You will be revived. And lashes. Then I will braid my hair later on as well. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna stay in these clothes because it's actually quite cold, and then I will change later when I shower and all that. Shout outs to Ndoni, Day, and Dazzle. I bought all these earrings from her, and then she gave me also the owner is actually my colleague and friend. And in the bags, each goodie bag is going to get like a jewelry cleaner. And each of the earrings I'm now going to pack into these jewelry bags. And you can see Ndoni's name there. And basically like slide it in there. So the ladies can actually get like a little travel bag thing. Small travel pouch, I guess, for earrings. Let me show you guys how I'm going to pack it. So each lady is getting either a silver or a gold earring like this. I'll just show you guys like this. So what I'm going to do is actually take it out of this bigger package and actually use the smaller one. What's nice is that these earrings are super multifunctional. You can wear them at work, and I really love them. Then in here they go. Should I put the, actually I want to pack this first, the jewelry cleaner first. I will. So I'll take one of them like this, fold it in half, I'm thinking, so that it's like proper. Put it in the bag. What should I do? Should I leave them in this bag? is that, honey? Oh, okay. Ni hao.
No.
Okay, son. I just got some laundry detergent. Let me zoom out for a second so you guys can see. I just got these things. Bought bleach. I bought Comfort fabric softener, hand wash for the bathroom, and detergent to wash. I've got so much laundry to do, so I bought 2 of these. There we go. All right. So where was I? Okay, so I'm thinking I want to take them out actually, and I realized that I actually had already put one in there, so just leave it in there. And I think, should I leave them? What should I do, Kesan? Okay, let me leave them in so that they don't fly out. Ne? I'll leave it in the packet, and then slides at slide it in here. Like Kesan. Guys, this is giving entrepreneur, packing my own like stuff for my own events. Anyway, so yeah, there we go. And then each day is gonna get this cute little pack with earrings inside and a thingy, a jewelry cleaner. So yeah, super excited. I'll show you guys the final gift bag on that vlog, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what this is gonna look like. So I'll pack these now, the rest of them.
Actually think of me as less than you. Just wish that I knew how something like that could happen. Maybe it's just in passing, 'cause nothing is everlasting, no. But like really though, how do you know that I can overcome all of the obstacles? She just looked me in the eye, said it's gonna be alright, 'cause I know that's how it goes. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever, forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever, whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. It doesn't make sense that somebody else got all of the praise when you did the same thing. It doesn't feel real when they all say it's the same rules when you play, when you know that's not the case. The only thing we know is that we change. Nothing's ever gonna stay the same forever. No, it won't, 'cause no one ever does. You just have to learn to trust whenever. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away. As blue as the sky above you, it's true that it won't end this way. If you lose and get sad about it, just know it's gonna go away.
Okay, lads, I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed every minutes of the vlog. Don't forget to give this vlog a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click that subscribe button and join the regular dzegulars. We are on the road to 16k. Wild. And 20k is a bigger goal. So I'm so excited, guys. Thank you so much for all the newbies that have joined us. I see the comments. I can't get to all of them, but I see them and I acknowledge them. I love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Mwah.